Hannah, you gonna share some with your sister?
Do flowers make you happy, Hannah?
Well, after I get them unstuck, they will.
Happy Hannah. Happy Hannah.
Hey,
Hey, what?
purple one. Ugh.
Do you have all of them now, Hannah?
What?
Hannah, do you have yours and Karina's? Where are you, Karina?
Purple.
Go get some.
Purple. Yeah, where's your purple one, honey? Oh, you're so sweet. Look at that little face. Hannah, give her a purple one. You got blue. Beautiful.
Blue.
Yeah, good girl.
Say yellow.
She can say purple.
I know. She just said blue.
Say purple.
Oh, Hannah, give
Say
her
purple.
a purple one, please.
Well, I don't think we're supposed to take them. Well, I can't get one off.
Give her the whole stick. What color is that?
Karina, you're a good girl, honey.
What
Ow.
color?
Get over there so she don't-
Is that blue?
Hannah, you gotta get a picture with all your beautiful flowers and get Karina.
I'm
Beautiful.
putting this in the green spot.
Yeah, it looks great. Let me see yours, Karina. Come on, baby girl. Oh, beautiful yellow.
Karina, how about orange?
Orange.
Blue.
Blue. Orange.
Beautiful.
Blue. Go, baby gator.